Hi, my friend. Today is a confession time. Have you ever find yourself on the verge of doing something very important, like new job, a very exciting project, or even a fitness goal, and then as soon as you wanted to start it, a most random task came to your mind, like, oh, maybe it's better I go and put in order my spice drawer. That, my friends, is a self-sabotage. Today I'm going to talk to you about why we do it and how to stop it. So stay with me. Self-sabotage is when we hold ourselves back without even realizing it. It can be through perfectionism, procrastination, or even without even realizing we are afraid that we are not capable of doing it. Just think about you have this very exciting goal, and then all of a sudden you decide to clean your mailbox. The reason is not because we are lazy, it's because we are afraid. Self-sabotage is rooted in fears. It's a voice in our head which says, what if I mess it up? What if I'm not capable of doing it? And the crazy part is, it's not about failure. Sometimes self-sabotage is a fear of success. When you set a goal, it comes with responsibilities, actions, and expectation. And so, instead of taking the first step, we just block ourselves. It's intimidating as failure. The first step is to realize the moments of self-sabotage. Next time when you're setting a goal and you want to take the first step, and all of a sudden it comes to your mind that I need to watch my Instagram for 3 hours. Or for instance, you say to yourself, today is not a perfect day to start. Maybe I start it tomorrow. That's a moment of self-sabotage. So when you realize it, you can stop it. Next time, ask yourself, when you face such a situation, am I blocking myself? First come first. First thing, we have to realize those moments of self-sabotage. When we have to start a goal and take a first step, and somehow we ask ourselves, maybe today is not a perfect day to do that, and I will start tomorrow because today I'm busy with something else, like you decide to watch your Instagram for 3 hours. That's a moment of self-sabotage. The more you catch yourself in action, it's easier to break the pattern. So you have to realize those moments of self-sabotage. And next time when you're starting something and all of a sudden you find yourself busy with completely random task, pause and ask yourself, am I holding myself? So now let's talk about the good stuff. How we can break this cycle. Self-sabotage loves overwhelming and big projects. Instead of thinking about accomplishing and finishing a big project, break it in a smaller step. Write it down, because from the goal that you have to achieving your goal, there is a space. You can break down those steps in a smaller steps that you can achieve. Start with the tiniest one. Let's say even 5 minutes. Starting is better than nothing, and it's a progress. And you push yourself with a 5 minutes to start your project. That's a way that you can realize, recognize, and start to make it small in a smaller steps and achievable steps that you can take. Another huge reason we self-sabotage is perfectionism. Always tell yourself progress over perfection. You don't need to figure out everything. Just start somewhere. Next time when that voice tells you that you're not capable, tell yourself, maybe it's huge, maybe it's tough, but at least I can try it. Remember, simple refrain can make a huge difference over time. Another suggestion, find yourself a accountability buddy. Yes, a friend, a family member who always supports you. When you tell your goal to someone, it's more difficult for you to back out. That person can help you to stay on track when that voice comes. So here we are. Self-sabotage is not about laziness or lack of motivation. It's about fear and doubt. Remember, small progress is progress. Be kind to yourself. And remember, you're much more capable of what you are thinking. Who knows? Maybe when you take a first step, you realize that achieving your goal is much closer than what you were thinking. So, if you have ever found yourself in a self-sabotage trap, like me, share what is the first step you're going to take today. Don't forget, you're much more capable of what you think. If you like this video, subscribe, share, and like. Until next time, goodbye.